What are you casting this time?
A barrier. I'm using it to harden the surface. Blam!
Here it goes! And eruption! Oh, my stars! How'd you know where to find an Iltrite vein?
Wait, this stuff isn't Iltra ore?
Open your eyes, lad! This stuff I'm holding in my hand is exceptionally rare!
Scan. He's right.
Even I feel the magic radiating from these gems. Curious yet formidable little stones.
Wonder if there's a magic core pocket here somewhere.